we present Coding Made Familiar. In this series, we will cover the basics of coding. Welcome to Lesson 1. Computers do not understand human languages. They do not understand English or other languages that we speak. Computer coding is writing commands to instruct a computer to perform a task. In coding, you write the commands in a language that the computer can understand. The languages that computers understand are called programming languages. There are hundreds of different programming languages. The programming language that you choose to learn depends on the tasks that you want the computer to perform. When you learn to code, you learn to speak the specific programming language that you have mastered. This way, you learn to talk to a computer directly. Here are some points to remember. A computer program is also called computer software. It can be a short program of 1 or 2 lines. It can also consist of millions of lines of instructions. Computer programming is also called program coding. A computer without computer programs cannot perform any tasks. Computer programs enable a computer user to perform tasks on a computer.